So there's going to be a lot more that I need to talk about regarding modules, but for now, since we haven't created any content to actually put into them, there's one final piece of information I want to talk about, and that is the idea of publishing content. So just so you understand, modules along with the content inside those modules, along with your actual course, need to be published. If for whatever reason you're finding that either students can't see content or you can't see content when you go into Student View, it's most likely because you haven't published that content. And so what you're going to consistently see are two clouds. One cloud that has an X in it and one cloud that's either empty or has a check mark in it. So let's go to our modules panel again to see this. So notice right now these clouds have X's in them, signifying my two modules are unpublished, which means that if I go into Student View, or if my students were to log into this course, they would not be able to see these modules. So remember, if it's not green, it can't be seen. So to publish, all you have to do is simply click on the cloud, and that turns it green, and it's got a check mark in it. Okay? And then if you want to unpublish it, you just click it again, and notice it is now unpublished. So I can publish this. When I go home, notice my modules now is not gray, signifying that at least one of the modules has been published, but notice that my course is still unpublished. I'm not yet ready to actually publish this course, so I'm going to leave this course unpublished, and a little later on, once I've finished everything with it, that's when I'll go ahead and I will publish the course. So remember, you're going to see this consistently throughout with pages, with assignments, with quizzes, with modules. And so if you create content and you want to make sure that that content is actually visible and viewable to students, you got to make sure to publish that content.